Rank Math is my favorite plugin for WordPress because Rank Math gives me the ability to quickly update and upgrade my SEO. That's search engine optimization. I got an email today from the CEO of Rank Math. I'm not sure I can always say his name correctly, Banu, and Banu asked me to do a video, a shout out, and so I'm doing that. And I wanted to just show quickly, I posted this article at missionalmoney.com. You can see it's titled Rank Math Shoutout. So here we go. I'm going to show you why I love Rank Math. So here I am logged into the back end of my WordPress site, and I'm going to just click edit here. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to fast forward this because he wanted me to make this, quick. So I'm going to edit the snippet, Rank Math Shoutout. I saved a little snippet from my post right here, and I'm just going to copy that and paste it into the description. And it's 160, up to 160. I learned all of this by just reading the documentation that came along with Rank Math. Rank Math works! Exclamation mark. So there it is. So then I need to go over here and I'm going to close that and I'm going to put in my Rank Math is my keyword. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hit enter. You see everything turns green, and then I get these kudos. I have a couple of errors. Focus keyword. We couldn't find any internal links to the content, so I could put some links in. I might do that. I might not do that. We get 89 out of 100. I hit update, and then when I go back to my WordPress dashboard, I will see that this has a pretty decent SEO rating. And in a couple of days, I will search for Rank Math, and I bet I will find my post. So thank you, Rank Math, for making something very complicated simple enough for a guy like me. Thanks a bunch. This is your shout out.